Q8050. Threaded rivets, Rivnuts, are commonly used for what purpose? A. To join two or more pieces of sheet metal where shear strength is desired. B. To attach parts or components with screws to sheet metal. C. To join two or more pieces of sheet metal where bearing strength is desired. The correct answer is B. Threaded rivets, also known as Rivnuts, are commonly used for the purpose of attaching parts or components with screws to sheet metal. This option provides an efficient and secure method of fastening, as it allows for a threaded connection in sheet metal where traditional screws may not be suitable or effective. Q8051. The installation of CherryMAX and Olympic-Lok rivets is accomplished by utilizing A. A rivet gun, special rivet set, and bucking bar. B. A pulling tool. C. Ordinary hand tools. The correct answer is B. CherryMAX and Olympic-Lok are specific types of blind rivets commonly used in various applications. These rivets are installed by inserting them into pre-drilled holes and using a specialized pulling tool. When the stem is pulled, a taper swells the end of the shank, causing it to upset and expand. As the pulling continues, the stem breaks off, leaving a portion of it inside the hollow shank. This arrangement reinforces and secures the rivet, creating a strong and durable fastening connection without the need for access to the backside of the material. Blind rivets like CherryMAX and Olympic-Lok offer efficient and convenient solutions for joining materials in situations where traditional riveting methods may be challenging or impractical. Q8052. Hole-filling fasteners, for example, MS20470 rivets, should not be used in composite structures primarily because of A. The possibility of causing delamination. B. Increased possibility of fretting corrosion in the fastener. C. Difficulty in forming a proper shop head. The correct answer is A. Hole-filling fasteners like MS20470 rivets should not be used in composite structures primarily due to the potential risk of causing delamination. Delamination refers to the separation or splitting of layers within a composite material. The high clamping forces exerted by hole-filling fasteners can lead to stress concentrations and damage the structural integrity of the composite material, causing delamination. Q8053. Metal fasteners used with carbon/graphite composite structures. A. May be constructed of any of the metals commonly used in aircraft fasteners. B. Must be constructed of materials such as titanium or corrosion-resistant steel. C. Must be constructed of high-strength aluminum-lithium alloy. The correct answer is B. When metal fasteners are used with carbon/graphite composite structures, they must be constructed of materials that offer high corrosion resistance. Titanium and corrosion-resistant steel are commonly used for this purpose, as they can withstand the potential corrosive environments and prevent galvanic corrosion between the dissimilar materials, metal and composite. Q8054. Sandwich panels made of honeycomb construction are used on aircraft because this type of construction A. Has high tensile strength and is non-flammable. B. Has low weight and is corrosion-resistant. C. Saves weight while not compromising strength. The correct answer is C. Sandwich panels made of honeycomb construction are used on aircraft because this type of construction allows for weight savings without compromising strength. The honeycomb structure consists of a lightweight, strong core material, typically aluminum or Nomex, sandwiched between two face sheets. This design provides excellent strength-to-weight ratio, making it a preferred choice for aircraft applications.